Good morning students. Now Maxmuller Global Education is going to provide online learning solutions. I am Jyoti dealing mathematics. Today we will discuss our 6th class first chapter knowing our numbers. So here first we will discuss knowing our numbers. So first of all, what is a number? So now I am asking you at which time you woke up, then you will answer at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Then I will ask you at which time you will eat food, then you will answer at 12 o'clock. Then in our day-to-day life, everywhere we will use the numbers. That means 6th, 7th, 8th, like this all. You will go to bed at 9 o'clock or otherwise how many idli you ate, then you will answer 3. So everywhere we will use a number. So without max, without number, we can't survive in anywhere. So first we will discuss the number. Then if you are observing 1, 2, 3, these all, or we have to call it as a numbers. But observe here, these all digits. These all have a single digit. The combination of digits is nothing but a number. Okay. Then now in previous classes you already discussed about these all the things, numbers in that places, place values, ascending order, descending order, greater than, less than, these all the symbols you discussed in the previous classes. But once we have to recall that all the things. And then see what is the number name here. Then after seeing this one, what we will say, simply this all containing the digits 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we are asking what is the number name means, what we have to say. Then we have to keep the commas. Afterwards we will read the number, that is 3456. Now we have to compare the numbers. Okay, estimation of comparing numbers. Then how we have to compare the numbers. Now see here, we have to take two numbers and 374. Like this, I took two numbers. Then in these two numbers, which is the biggest one? Then at that time, whenever we are comparing these two, we have to check which is the biggest one. At that time, we have to check here first this number, how many digits we have. Now see 3, 5, 7, 8. That means here we have 4 digits in the given number. Then check this one also. Now here 3, 7, 4. That means how many digits we have here? Then here we have only 3 digits. So in these two numbers, which is the biggest one means simply after counting the digits, here we have 4 digits, here we have 3 digits. In these two, which is the biggest one means highest number of digits, where is it? Then we have to take this one as a biggest number. So we have to say this is the big number, greatest number. So here we are using the symbol greater than. Okay. Then the same way, now we are comparing two more numbers. Now obviously we are taking two more numbers again. Then here also the same process. Here also we are counting the digits, no? So here also you have to count the digits first of all. Then count the digits 3, 5, 7, 8. So how many digits we have? Here also we have 4 digits. Again check here also. Here also how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here also we have 4 digits. Then which one we have to take it as the biggest one? Now we have a doubt. Here we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. Both the numbers have the same number of digits. Then at that time you have to check here the first digit, that means the highest place. Now here the highest place is the thousands place. Here also the highest place is the thousands place. So here also we have the same number. Then what we have to do? Suppose whenever comparing the same numbers, we have the same numbers means we have to see the next one. Then suppose if it is 4, Compare here the thousands place is 3, here the thousands place is 4. Then whenever you are comparing these two, the thousands place, which number is the biggest one, then take that number as the biggest one. So we have to say 4582 is the biggest number. Now check one more. Now observe here. Here also the same process, we have to count the number of digits. Here also we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. The same number of digits here we have. Then check the highest place. Here 3, here also 3. So we have both the places same number, no? Then come to the next place. That means we have to check the hundreds place. Hundreds place also we have the same number. Here 5, here also we have 5. Then go to the next place. Here 8, here 7. In the tens place we have the number 8. In the tens place we have the number 7. Then observe here. Which one is the biggest one? Either 7 or 8. 8 is the biggest one. Then we have to say here 3584 is the biggest number. Like this we have to compare the numbers. Whenever they are asking us to compare the numbers, to check in this way. First process, count the number of digits. In that number of digits, which is the biggest one, take that is the biggest one. Then after the second one, whenever you are comparing the digits, if it has the same number of digits, then check the places, highest places. In that highest places, which number is the biggest one, then we have to take that one as the biggest one. Then go to the next one. If the highest places also we have the same numbers, then go next. If thousands place we have the same number, then go to the hundreds. If 100 also we have the same number, then go to the tens. If the tens place also have the same number, then go to the ones place. Like that you have to compare and we have to arrange these numbers. But so many children have so many times the same doubts will get. Which is the less than symbol? Which one is the greater than symbol? So many times. If you are observing here, we are using both symbols, no? Then at that time you have a doubt. Which is the less than symbol? Which one is the greater than symbol? I will say the small technique to you. That is, this is your left hand, no? Keep your left hand in this way. Okay. Then we can observe here one symbol. Like this symbol is there, no ma? Our hand is in this way. Okay. So simple technique is, whenever we are lift our left hand, that symbol shows that this is the less than symbol. Obviously the next symbol is the greater than symbol. Then it is easy for you. See here. This is less than symbol, the other symbol is the greater than symbol. Use this technique, very easy for you, very helpful for you. And also one more thing, suppose sometimes you will get confusion even though this is also not understanding. At that time what you will do, then you observe here which side open bracket is there. That means if you are observing here, we kept our left hand in this way, no? So this is the closed one. This is the open part. Open part side number is the biggest one. So observe here also. So this is open, no? Open side, this number is the biggest number. Then observe here also. Here also this side we have the open part. Open part number is the biggest one. So otherwise you have to think this one. Suppose if you are confusing even the less than symbol and greater than symbol, then at least use this technique. This one helpful for you. Okay. Then here we discussed comparing the numbers, greatest number, smallest number, as well as less than symbol and also greater than symbol. I think you understand this one. Now here I will give the sum, you have to answer it. Okay. Now you have to fill this one. This one I am giving to you as homework. Okay, finish it. So you have to find out the greatest number and you have to notice the smallest number. After that you have to use here greater than symbol or less than symbols. Okay. Next one. Already in the previous classes we know that ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Then descending order. Descending order means big to small. Okay ma? So here also so many times we will get confusion. Sometimes whether in the examination they are asking you write the given numbers in the descending order. At that time you will confuse, and what you will write? You will arrange the numbers in small to big. Then is it correct? Surely it's wrong, because they are asking the descending order. Descending order means how you have to arrange it? You have to arrange the numbers in big to small, biggest number to the smallest number. But you are answering that one as the smallest number to biggest number. Is it correct? Surely it's wrong. So here also I will give one technique. You have to remember it. So they are asking you ascending order, no? Ascending means it will start with A. Okay. If it is start with alphabets, what is the smallest one? Alphabets means A, B, C, D, like that, no? So it will start with A. So A is the starting letter. So A is the smallest letter in the alphabets. Ascending order means what we have to remember? That is small to big. Is it clear, ma? Think, remember. So here ascending order in the alphabets, A is the smallest one. So we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. The next one, descending order. Descending orders in the sense what we have to think. If ascending means small to big means obviously the next one only big to small we have to arrange it. So ascending order, if they are asking you to, they are giving the group of numbers, they are asking you arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Suppose example. They are giving in this way the numbers. Then we have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means what we have to arrange? Small to big. Then in the given numbers, you have to check which is the smallest one. Now check. Here also the same process. In previous I explained, you know, small numbers, big number, greatest number, smallest number, how we have to identify. Here also the same process. Count the number of digits in the numbers. Now see here. How many digits we have here? 3 digits. Here we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. Here also we have 3 digits. Now which is the smallest number means we have to take 3 is the smallest one. Then compare again, we have like that 3 digit numbers 2. Then again check it. Here the first digit, that means the hundreds place, the number is the 8. So here 8 is the biggest number. 3 is the smallest number. Compare in these two numbers, which is the smallest one? 354 is the smallest one. So we are writing in the ascending order means, so we will write first 354. So we completed this one. The next, which is the next number? 847. So write 847 is the next number. Then check it. Again we have 2 more numbers, that is 4 digit numbers. In these 4 digits also we have to check which is the smallest. So here also in the 4 digit numbers we have to check it which one is the smallest one first. So again check the highest place, that is 8 and 9. So in these 8 and 9 which one is the smallest one? So 8 is the smallest one. So we will write first 8764 is the smallest one. Then check the next number, that is 9342. So we are arranging all the given numbers in the ascending order. Okay. So first of all you have to check the given numbers, how many digits each number have. Then after writing the number of digits here, then check it which is the smallest one. Okay. Like this order we have to arrange the given numbers in the ascending order, that means small to big. So we completed this ascending order. I think it is clear to you. Okay. Now I will go to discuss the descending order. Descending order means what we have to think, ma? Here we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay. So you have to take one more example. Okay. That is 3742. Now here we have one more sum. Okay, now for this sum we have to arrange the given numbers in the descending order. Descending order means what we have to take first? We have to take the first one as the biggest number, that means the greatest number. In the given numbers, which is the greatest number, we have to check it first. Okay, now check here. Here we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. Each number have 4 digits. Then in that number we have to check the thousands place. In this thousand place, which number is the highest one? So obviously 9 is the highest one. So we have to take 9452 is the biggest number. So we have to write biggest number first, means 9452 is the biggest one. Next we have to take, after 9, here we noticed 8 is the smallest one. Okay, then we will write 8472, this is the second place. Then observe the next 2 numbers. We completed already these 2, no? Remaining in these 2 numbers, here we have 3, here also we have 3. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to go to the next place. Here we have 7, here also we have 7. Next what we have to check it? Afterwards we have to check the tens place. Here in the tens place we have 4, here in the tens place we have 8. So we have to write big one first, no? So we have to take here 3786 is the next biggest one. At last we will write 3742. So we arranged the given numbers in the descending order. Okay, is it clear, ma? Ascending order means we have to arrange the given numbers from small to big. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. So in this way we have to arrange the numbers. Okay students, next, up to now we discussed about the ascending and descending order, and also greatest and smallest number, greater than and less than symbols. Okay, now we will see the number names. Okay, in previous classes already you know that how to write the number names. Up to 5 digits you learned in the previous classes, that means the places. Okay, that is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then after that thousands, after that 10 thousands. Up to here you know the places and the place values. Then how we have to write this number in the number names? Write the number in words. That means first we have to keep the commas. After that we have to write the number name. Okay. So here 37 in the thousands period, no? So 37,456. Okay. Then we will write like this. So 37,456. So many members, here you will use 556. That is also not mistake. We can write either like this or we have to write 456. No problem. Okay. So but here whenever we are writing the number name, we have to remember only one point. That is, whenever you are writing the number name, we should write first the places. Then after knowing the places, we have to keep the commas. Suppose if you are perfect in the places, then no need to write even the places also. Simply we have to put a comma, then we have to write the number name. Suppose here I am asking you like this. They gave here one more number. Okay. Then simply you have to write this number in the words. Then what we will do? After 3 digits we have to put a comma. Then we have to take, this is a 42,000 and this one is 306. So simply write that number name. Okay. Then here also 42,306. So it is clear. Simply here we have to write the given number in words. Already these all the things what we are discussing now, that one we will get in the first exercise, estimating and comparing numbers. The first Roman we will find the greatest and smallest numbers. The second question we will discuss ascending order and the descending order. Then the next Roman we will discuss about greater than, less than symbols. Afterwards this Roman is number names. That means write the number in words. So we completed simply 6 Romans here. These all the things already you learnt in 5th standard. That everything here in the first exercise they are giving you to recall these all. That's what just I am giving brief introduction. Okay, next they will give you some digits and they will ask you write the greatest and the smallest numbers. Suppose that means they are giving here 1, 2, 3 and 7. They gave you here 4 digits. They are asking you to write the smallest 4-digit number and also they are asking you to write the greatest 4-digit number. So here also the same way. Suppose they are asking you to write the smallest number. Smallest number means we have to arrange the same numbers in the same way, ascending order. Okay, suppose here you are taking in this way. They gave you these 4 digits. Arrange the number in the smallest number. That means we have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means in these 4 digits, which is the smallest one, ma? Yes, very good. It is 1. The next digit is 3. The next one is 7. And the next one is 8. We are arranging these all the digits here in ascending order. That means small to big. 1 is the smallest number in these digits and the next one is 3 and the next one is 7 and the next one is 8. But here you have to remember these all are digits. This is a number. Number in the sense you don't put commas. So many students like this they will write. Then what we will think, this is also not a number, no? These all are separate digits. If you keep the commas in this way, then what we have to think, this is not a smallest number. Simply the teacher will keep wrong. Okay, so that's what you have to remember here. Compulsory. They are asking to write the smallest number. You don't put comma. If you keep the comma, that is not a number. It is all digits. You are arranging the digits in the ascending order. Then it is not the smallest number. Okay, then you have to write again greatest number. Then how we have to write the greatest number? The same way. Here greatest means how we have to take in the descending order. Descending order means big to small. So in the given numbers, which is the biggest one, ma? Yes, very good. It is 8. The next one is 7. The next one is 3 and the next one is 1. So we are arranging the given numbers in the descending order. So the number is 8731 is the greatest number. So we are arranging the given numbers, smallest number and also the greatest number. So we completed mostly the first exercise. I think everyone understand this one. Okay. So after understanding this one, you have to take the text and you have to practice the exercise sums. Okay.